Hey everybody, it's Lisa from Shabby Road Studio. I am already back again with my junk journal flip through. This is the bird journal, and it is it's big. It kind of got out of hand. I know I keep saying that. I put 5 signatures in and then it just goes crazy. I don't know. I might have to start limiting myself because look at her. She's so big, but she's soft, so you can smush her down. I have this like a muslin fabric tie that will come with it. You can close it, you can leave it off, whatever. On the front, I've done like a jean flower. It has a birds tweet and chirp. So cute. I'm addicted to this little stamp that says tweet and chirp. So you're going to see it throughout this journal many places, but it's just so darn cute. 5 for no other reason other than I like the number. Yeah, so 5 signatures. It is, let's see, 9.5 by about 6.5. Okay, so let's get started. Inside, there are 2 pockets on the inside cover. They are the Tim Holtz flashcard things. Just glued them on and made pockets. There's some little baby mini tags in here that are bird related. Little bulb pin there. There's just, odds and end tags. Bird, obviously bird themed throughout. We have just a grungy tag there, bird stamp on there, and this is part of the digital kit, and I made it into a little tag. Okay, so this is a new Etsy shop I am working with. This is the first digital I have used from her shop. Okay, so this digital kit in this journal is from Wildflower Publishing on Etsy. And she is going to give my subscribers a 40% discount, I believe. It'll be in the description, but if you put Shabby Road 40 at checkout in her Etsy shop, you'll get the discount. So I will have a link to her shop and that code in the description box below. So yeah, new shop. I was just searching for some unique bird images and I came across hers, and then I fell in love with most everything in her shop. So you'll see it's very pretty. So you might want to go check that out. Okay, so each signature has, I've done a little, well, kind of the same on the front here. This I've done in fabric. This is just fabric, embossed fabric. On the back is kind of the same thing. It's just a double layer of cloth. I think I put a Mod Podge on it, and then when it was dry, I ran it through the embosser, and then just obviously took the, distress, and then just went like that. I like it. It's grungy. It's, I'm gonna cut that off. And it just went with the jean fabric. I liked it. And then I did a little die cut on the front here, and did some blue chipped sapphire. Did some blue and some coffee on this to get it the color that I wanted it to be to match the jean. And then I took a bird out of the digital kit. So this bird is from the kit. I just cut around him, put some cardboard under him. Yeah. So anyway, so here is just a piece of cardstock that I embossed, and I put one on the cover of each of the signatures. Kind of did the same little 1, 2, 3. I don't know why. I like to do that. It's cutesy, I know, but I just like to do it. So then made this into a pocket. And so each cover of each signature has a pocket with a tag in. So this one has a little bird and a little collage on the front. Lots of birds through here. Oh, and I don't know if you recognize these, but these are the labels that we made in a different video. And so I've used these all throughout the journal as well. I used 2 of them, one on each side, glued them on as a tab, and then I just put a little eyelet in there just for fun. You could hang something off from that if you want to. So that's the cover. Inside here, we have a tag as a pocket and a little bird tag in there. And this is one of those little stamps from that stamp page. I just concluded that. This is from the kit. This is a little fold away pocket with a little baby bird tag in there. I thought that was so cute. I stuck that inside and then stuck that little bee stamp. Over here, we got a couple pockets, a couple more tags with birds. These are from the kit again. Everything in here is from the kit. Pretty much, unless I tell you otherwise. Some more of those labels that I made. Oh, come on. These are hard to get out. There's another one. Another little bird. They're really, you see how pretty her kit is? It's just gorgeous. The images are really, really nice. They're more of a, realistic look than a cartoony. So on this page, just another one of those plastic pocket things. I put another one of those labels in there, and I just made this girl with some wings, stuck her on a bench, and stuck her in the pocket with a little bird on the front. Come on. Oh, I hate trying to get things back in here. A little bird on the front. This is her digital, and it's just a stunning image, I think. And then I printed it on that newsprint. It's just so soft. It's just different. This would look different if it was printed on regular computer paper too. It would probably have a little bit of maybe a brighter, bolder look, but I really like the way it looks on this newsprint. It is thinner, so I didn't really do a lot to these pages. I decorated the pages that were more sturdy and just left these for looks. On the other side is just another one of her printables that I combined in here. This is like a map page. Here's just a music sheet from my stash. And then another page from her kit. It has flowers and birds. Over here I did a side pocket and did some die cut birds out of book page. Here is a postcard from the kit with a bird on the front. Some more of that handwriting paper. Another beautiful bird image. Here I did a die cut bird on a branch out of some jelly plate paper. And again, there's that tweet chirp. I just think it's so cute. I don't know. Call me weird, but I love it. Some graph paper throughout this journal. Another image from that kit. So pretty. And this is also another page from one of her kits. I think it's the vintage something. I'll try to remember to link that too in the description. But I thought it combined with this kit really well. Blank paper for your journaling enjoyment. Over here, each signature has an envelope in it. I did the whole flap on one side, envelope on the other, and then when I sewed it into the signature, when it was all sewn in, the flap folds over and hides the stitching. So this is a pocket from the kit. It's a little tag card from the kit, and this is one of the things from the video I think I just put out today was the stamp page. I stuck that in there. And then here's another one. I just paper clipped that there. Inside the envelopes are just a half sheet of my coffee dyed paper. So you can do some more note taking or whatever. This is blank for you to do something with. More blank space, journaling. The other side of that one I showed you And then some more flowers. This is the back side of the graph paper. I made a little flip because it was too wide. And this is just another, this did not come with the kit. This is one of the only things that's not in the kit. This was from a different kit, but because it was bird related, I wanted to print that off and use it for a large journaling card. Some more flowers. Okay, I gotta start again. I ran out of space in my phone. I think my phone shut off. So I left it open, so I was right here. It's another page. Some more music sheets. This is another pocket from the kit. This is just a tag I made. That's a really thick one. And this is part of one of the kits. She has like several bird kits, so just look in her shop and see. Yeah. So here's the other half of that map page, which is really pretty, and another gorgeous bird image. Over here, I used an envelope as a pocket, and then I made a little note card for that with bird image and some torn off book page from dictionary, I think. Yeah. So that's kind of fun. And then behind that is open pocket space. I made a little tag with bird stuff on it. Okay, that's the end of signature 1. Here's signature 2. Again, a different style embossed panel, and then another tag behind. Here we have a cute couple with the letter 5. Big surprise. I did some phone book page behind that. You know, yeah, I don't think it really matters. You can't really, I mean, if somebody really wants to start calling these, yeah. Anyway, I don't use a phone book anymore, so I'm like, I'm going to use this in crafting. So, more of those labels for the little tab and the eyelet. Over here on the front, we have a diagonal pocket with a nice big postcard style from the kits. In here, this is just a cloth that I dyed and then did a stamp of the bird, and the stamp, tweet chirp. Yeah, I know. Another bird from the kit, and another one of those ticket things that I did. Or not ticket thing, it's a stamp. Stamp. Over here is the little flip open on there. 2 of the birds cut out from that same, this grungy looking jelly plate print. And a little saying there. 2 tags. They don't have anything on them. They're just for you to decorate or leave them. On this side is another piece of scrapbook paper with a stamp, a bird stamp on it. And this is also another pocket. And there's some more coffee dyed paper, notebook paper in there for you. And there's another beautiful bird image. Flowers on the opposite side. Just a scrapbook paper pocket with another big tag in with some bird ephemera on it. And one of those labels. And a little bird die cut. Music sheet, digital, flowers, some more handwriting. This is also from her shop, just more of the vintage papers. Here is a little envelope from the kit, and it's got a little tag card in it that has a bird on the front. Super cute. So there's some ledger paper, another beautiful image from her kit with some music printed on the back. Some open area for you. Some of my coffee dyed paper. Here's another one of those envelopes. I did attach one of those stamps that we just made, and some more coffee dyed paper. On this side is a 3x5 card that I made, coffee dyed with my polka dots. Another piece from the kit, and another tweet chirp label. Sorry, they're all in here. Cute little tag from the kit, and then I just stuck a little Tim Holtz postcard in there too. Here is a little feather die cut made from that same piece of grungy gel print paper, just to add some interest to the edge. And then same that we've seen, another image. Here I made a fabric belly band and just glued 4 of the bird die cuts on. Those die cuts are made from another jelly print. And back here we have a nice 5x7 for you that's coffee dyed. And then just another piece of Tim Holtz ephemera on top of that. On this side, there's a little flap. I didn't fill those. It's getting pretty fat, so I left that to you. Here's another little side pocket with a little postcard in it, made out of a book page. Some more paper from her shop, handwriting, another one from the bird kit, and then this side has birds on it. So pretty. Here's some more music sheet. Each signature has basically the same 5 or 6 pages, you know, the ledger, the music, the handwriting, a blank sheet, and a coffee dyed sheet, and then the rest are from the digital. Love that one. Look at the pretty colors in this. It's so soft looking. But remember, you know, you don't have to print on this newsprint. You can print on any paper, and it will change the look of that too. So here's the back of that signature, and there's a nice big pocket from an envelope. Here is a piece from another one of her kits. There are like grungy tags included too, so you want to check this out in her shop, and that's where this one came from. So this is just a cute little baby tag with a bird die cut on it. This is that bike stamp that we made in the last video. I stuck that in there for you. Here's another 3x5 card, index card, and another thing from the kit. This is full of birds, guys. Okay, so this is number 3. Same thing, another embossed piece of cardstock, just a different design from one of my embossing folders, and another big tag in here. These ladies are sitting on a bench. It says postcard, and you can journal on the back. And then more of those label tabs. Here are three pieces from this kit of hers, and I just use those as little baby pockets for these little tags, ticket stamps. It's hard to keep everything straight, but aren't these pretty? So cute. This I felt was one of the best bird digitals that I could find out there. She has some really neat ephemera pieces in there. These come from that. So yeah, check her shop out. Use the discount if you want to. Here's another image, so pretty, and just really pastel soft flowers on also in that same kit. Here is a piece from the kit. It's a little, okay, it's a flip open thing like that. It says flowers, and it's got another bird card in there, and I just paper clip that to this music sheet. And on the other side, it's just another piece from that stamp page we made. Kind of hurry, try not to keep this too long for you. It does have 5 signatures, but I'm trying to go fast. Here is a really pretty image. She's got some music in the back with the bird up front and these beautiful apple blossoms. So pretty, perfect for spring. Another great image. This is a page from like that same kit that has those vintage papers in it. And I just put some die cut leaves here, did some gold on them, and put the nature tag from her kit on there to make that look cool. Blank space. Here's another pocket with a tag that has a pocket on the front with some of my Grungy tickets in it. And another piece of bird ephemera, a die cut bird here. This is from that other kit. This is my label. Here we have another envelope. Has one of the cloth pockets with the bird stamp. Tort cheap. Wow. Tweet chirp. Saying it. Tongue twister. And a little dangle here with a bulb pin. And a cute little tag with tweet chirp. I'm going to be saying that in my sleep. More of my coffee dyed paper there. Another 3x5 here. This is kind of fun. This is a big tea bag behind this. Piece of scrapbook paper. A bird that I cut out was not in the kit. This is from something else. And then I just stamped a piece of cloth there. So that's kind of fun. This is a piece of the kit. I just did this because I thought it would look neat. It's just 2 pieces of the same size, and I put a eyelet there, and then it's not attached. It just kind of slips over. It slips over the top, and then you can stick something in there. So it just sticks up, looks cute, and it's functional too. So, all right, moving on. Moving on. Oh, this is such a pretty one, guys. Look how cool it looks with the green ledger on the other side. It just really is so pretty. I love that. And over here we got a little tuck spot. I put in one of my old tags. I made these a couple years ago. Another piece from that one kit I was telling you about. Ugh, the birds in here are so pretty, you guys. Sorry to keep saying that, but every time I turn the page and see one, it's just, they're so pretty. And I looked at a lot of kits, believe me. So that's the end of signature 3. We have 2 more signatures to go. Same thing, another tag, just a collage. Some of my tickets, a bouquet of flowers, and a bird, stamps. You know, just something different, something. Here's a pocket from the kit, a nice big corner pocket. I made this tag. I just think it's so pretty. This tree I just got in a kit of fussy cut things, and then I have a die cut for these hearts, but it just looked so cute together. So that's that. Birds, flowers, music, more birds, more flowers, handwriting, more birds. This is another page from that vintage kit, Vintage Pages, I think it's called. Another ledger. Here I just had some fun with a Tim Holtz paper doll. I put some butterfly wings behind her, and then I stuffed some stuff behind her. Here's some some of my grungy tickets. Another one of those tags with the die cut out of it, a feather, and one of the tags from the kit. So I don't know, I just kind of stuck her on there, stuck a bunch of fun things in behind her, and then stapled this with Brave Wings She Flies. And on we go. Some blank areas. Here's another envelope. This one I have like a little open, I don't know what you call it, just a little thing. And then this is like a belly band across there, so you can stick some little tickets, little ephemera right in there. Just kind of fun. And then coffee dyed inside. Back here is just another one of those stamps we made, stuck to a piece from her kit, and I just stuck it under there. Here's another one of those pieces like the front. This here, just cut it out of some coordinating scrapbook paper and put one of the pieces of ephemera in the middle. So this is another from that Vintage Pages. Smaller ledger with another pocket there. More from that kit. There's another bird. So pretty. Some more handwriting. Oh man, they're so pretty. Here's some more music. Yeah, music. Some flowers. And then the back page of the 4th signature has another envelope pocket with just this little collaged tag card thing, and another one of my 3x5s behind it. So there's 2 pockets there. And then here we are on our last signature. Okay, hang on, we're almost there. So this has a tag too, and I zigzagged this. This is the stamp, one of the stamps I made in our last video. And this is just an old playing card that I have. I collaged on the back of this, and it's just a place to stick that. So, and that's the last tag. This is the last signature. There's nothing on the inside of that cover. Like I said, this was getting pretty bulky, so I had to quit at some point. I had to make myself stop. So here's a little collage sheet. Some more music. Here is another pocket from the kit, and I put a big tag in there. I did some stenciling on the front. This is a cutout with the die cut. Put some music behind it. And number 5, here's little hangy tags on there. So that's kind of fun. I just did a little fancy edge on here. Did the 3 hearts. On here is a nice big 3x5 pocket with another one of those stamp things we made. And here is another one of those little fold open with a little ticket inside. So that's pretty. And my grungy tickets in this little pocket here. Some more of those die cut leaves. And let's see. We're getting to the end. Here's some empty space for you. Here is the front of the last envelope. It has a double pocket here. Some tickets, grungy tickets in the front. In the back is a tag with a pocket and another little tag inside. Here is another one of those little stamps we made in the last video. I just stuck a bunch of them in here. Some more of my coffee dyed paper. And on the back is an egg printable. It's not from her kit. This is also one that I had, and I just wanted to use it in here. Some more coffee dyed paper. Some more open space for you. Some music sheets. There's another one of her sheets from her vintage pages. Here is the last ledger paper, and I did some circles again to decorate that flap. And I included one of my 5x7s, and I just rounded the corners. That's nice and coffee dyed. Here is a side pocket. Just put a little flower there and a little die cut with birds. Here is a bird postcard and with a label I stamped on there. And oopsie, let's see here. Here we are, going to the last few pages. It's getting big here. Here's another one of those cloth pockets with stamp, tweet chirp. That's another tag I made. This is a piece of the ephemera. I just made like a little belly band with it and stuck that little piece in there. So there's a lot of goodies in here. Really pretty image. And here is the back page of the last signature. It's a tag with some tags that go in this way. It's open all the way. I just stuck them in like this. These are little pockets on here. And I will show you there's a couple cute little things stuck in each one of them. It gives you lots of fun little goodies. And then on the back cover, I took a piece of my old lace and made a big fat belly band there. I attached one of these cute little dangly tag things. Just, I don't know, they're fun to make. They look cool. Attach that with a bulb pin. But this thing is cool. So this is also from that kit that I showed you with the eggs and the other journal card. Okay, so this is also a part of it. So this is not part of this Etsy shop kit. But I wanted to include this because it had the bird on the front. And it has a cool grungy blue background. So what I did was I just put that together and made you a fun, this is a pocket here. So there's a pocket there and just fun coffee dyed paper and then another pocket with a 3x5. So that's a nice bonus little baby journal. And it just slips right in there and it stays really nice. On the back, another one of those embossed fabric panels, and that is it. She is giant. So just be aware, you know, she's a biggie with 5 signatures, but there's lots of space in here to play. It's a nice squishy journal, and I know the girl that bought the last journal, the circus journal, said it was bigger than she thought. Now I'm not sure if that, I don't know if that comment was it's good, it was bigger than I thought, I'm happy, or if it was bigger than I thought, I'm bummed. But anyways, I appreciate that purchase and your feedback and your review. So just so you know, like, again, this is a biggie. It's 9.5 by 6.5, 6.25, I guess. But it does, you know, it does tie down with this, which I will send with it. And this will be in my Etsy shop very soon, if it's not already there when you're watching it. So, all right, you guys, thanks for watching all the way through. I know this was a long flip through, but it is a big journal, and it was so much fun to make. So, what am I going to make next? I'm not sure. maybe a bee one, or maybe one in between. I don't know. But the bird one is done, so we're going to move on to something else. So, all right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.